Hello all. First of all, a very happy National Broadcasting Day. On the eve of National Broadcasting Day, we will see how to listen radio channels, live radio channels in Android mobile. This app that I am going to show you in a minute, I am not sure whether it is available for iOS users. Please let me know if it is iOS users in the comment. And this app is available in Google Play Store. I have provided the link in the description. The app name is News on Air. It is the official app from Prasar Bharati. Prasar Bharati is a governing body of the Indian government. It comes under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Yeah, I am turning on my talkback and let's go to the Play Store and let's see how we can open and
Talkback on.
search for this app and all.
System launch.
I have
Play Store has one.
opened the Play Store
Navigate up button.
and in the search
News
bar
on air.
I search for News on Air, NEWS space ON space AIR, and if we type the spelling correctly, we'll find this app exactly. Again I am swiping.
Search Google. Voice. News on Air. Prasar Bharati official app. News Plus Live. Prasar Bharati All India Radio. Doordarshan contains ads.
See, it is saying News on Air Prasar Bharati official app All India Radio contained Doordarshan and such kind of blah 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 stuff. So by this we can confirm it is the official app from Prasar Bharati. And I am swiping again.
Open button.
Here in my case it is showing open button. In your case it might show install button. Let's go ahead and open this app. I am opening this app. I double
News
tap
on Air.
it on.
News on Air. Choose language.
If you open this app first time, it will ask language. Choose language. Just this app wants to confirm in which language do you want to use this app. So I am choosing English. You can choose any one of your preferred languages. I am choosing here English.
Not checked. Hindi. Not checked. English. Read.
I double
Check.
tap and I selected the English. And then we have to hit on continue button. This continue button is located at the bottom right side.
Continue button.
I double tapped on
News on Air.
continue button.
Open navigation drawer button.
That's it. Just we have to select this language, then it will open the main page of this app. In this main page, like in this first page, we'll find all the tabs and few information relating to some kind of news and etc etc. So let me explain about these tabs, then you will have a clear picture. These tabs are located at the bottom. Located at the top. These tabs are located at top. At top left side we have
Open navigation drawer button.
open navigation drawer. In this tab we'll find settings, notifications and settings related to customization, interested channels, favorite channels and all. If you are interested, go ahead and explore it. After that
News button.
we have news tab. In this news tab, if we select this news tab, we'll find only news.
Live radio button.
Then after we have live radio tab. If we select this live radio tab, we'll find all the radio channels. Then again I am swiping.
Live TV button.
After that we have live TV. If we select this live TV tab, we'll find channels, TV channels of government like DD National, DD Yadagiri, Saptagiri, etc. This app is completely free. You no need to pay anything for listening these channels and all. Just you need to have internet connection. That's it. After that we have
News podcasts button.
news podcast. This news podcast tab you will find podcast relating to news. After that
Programs button.
we have programs tab. In this programs tab you will find programs of government and few past and current programs. This much tabs are available. I am not going into any tab because today particularly we are discussing how to listen live radio. That's why I am selecting live radio
Live radio button.
and double tapping on it. If we open this live radio tab first time,
Newsnet.
what will happen in the sense, let me give a clear picture about it. Actually we already know in this live radio tab it will
Live
display
radio.
or it will show all the available channels in sense radio channels. How it will display, like in which view it will display. View means we have grid view, list view and map view in this app. In the grid view it will show all the channels in table, in columns and rows. In list view it will show the channels one after another. In the map view it will show according to the map. So unfortunately this grid view is not fully accessible in the sense it will just read thumbnail. We don't know what is that thumbnail. Let's see. Just I am touching somewhere on my screen. It will just say thumbnail.
Live radio.
See it.
Down button.
Yeah, I forgot to explain. This live radio heading you will find top left right side. After that we have down button. It is saying this down means nothing but back button. After that you will find search button. Search, we will go it in a minute.
Search radio channels edit box.
After that you will find all the
Grid view button.
views: grid view, list view
List view.
and map view.
Map view button.
Then again if you swipe you will land on the
National row 1 in grid 120 rows 4 columns.
channels area, and it is saying national row 1 and some total rows and columns it is saying. Again if you swipe, let's just observe,
Thumbnail row 2 column 1.
it is just saying thumbnail, but we don't know what is this channel, what is this thumbnail is indicating. If you double tap on this thumbnail it will obviously play the channel, but we don't know which channel we are listening to. That's why I recommend put it in list view, then you will find the difference. Just I am selecting list view.
Map. List view button.
I have selected list view. It will take 1 to 2 minutes, 2 seconds to change this view. Then after you will just observe what will happen and all. Again I am swiping.
Map. Icon Vivid Bharti 3 of 286.
See, it is saying clearly icon with Vivid Bharati 3 of 286. And say again I am swiping back.
Icon Air Live News 24x7 Beta 2 of 286. National 1 of 286.
See, national 1 of 286. Before it said national and columns rows. After that it is just saying thumbnail. We don't know what the thumbnails are indicating to. Now if you change it to list view, it will show the icon and it will show the name also. It will say the name also. So it is very very simple for us to find the channel. I'm selecting like any one of this channel. If you just drag your finger from top to bottom, you will find all the channels one
Icon.
after
Vivid
another.
Bharti 3 of 286.
Just I am moving my finger on the
Icon.
screen.
Ragam 4 of 286. Neighborhood Service 5. Icon. Neighborhood Service 1 6 of. Icon. Neighborhood Service 2 7 of 2. World Service. Icon. World Service 1 9 of 286.
Like this, you will find all the channels. So I'm selecting one channel. It will
Icon. World Andaman and Nicobar Islands 11 of 286.
It is arranged like it will show all the channels according to states wise and according to alphabetically. First it will show Andaman Nicobar Islands, then Andhra Pradesh, then Assam, then Arunachal Pradesh. It will go like this. So if you want to listen to any West Bengal channel or any Telangana or Tamil Nadu channels, it is very it will locate at the bottom, but we have a way to search those channels also. Simply we can use search box and we can search for the channel that we will see.
Icon. World Service.
Just I am playing one channel.
Icon. Worlds. Icon. Northeast live stream 28 of. Assam 27.
Yeah, which channel shall we? Yeah, just I am selecting one channel here.
Icon. Vishak.
Yeah, these are Andhra Pradesh channels. Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada.
Icon. Air Itanagar. Icon. Air Itanagar Arun FM.
Itanagar is Arunachal Pradesh channels.
Icon. Air Vishakhapatnam 23 of 2. Icon. World Service 2 10 of 2. Icon. World Service. Icon. World Service 2.
Yeah, after
Andaman
this
and Nicobar Islands.
we'll find Andaman Nicobar. Then after
Icon. Airport Blair.
Port Blair, this is in Andaman
Andhra
Nicobar.
Pradesh 13 of 286.
After that Andhra Pradesh, it will show the heading like only name. After that will show all the channels in Andhra Pradesh.
Icon. Air Ananta. Icon. Air Kadapa 15 of 286.
Air Kadapa, Air Anantapuram, these are all in Andhra Pradesh. Just I am playing this channel. Just we have to double tap on it. It will play the channel.
Media.
कल्चर संस्कृति को बढ़ाना, आगे बढ़ाना, शिक्षा को आगे बढ़ाना, साइंस को आगे बढ़ाना, और जो हमारे देश में इतने भी
I think you can hear that
सब प्रिजर्व करना, आगे बढ़ाना और
live radio
डेवलपमेंट इन्हें पूरे देश में है अभी तो टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से पूरे
if you want to switch that channel, just we
After
can
a year-long delay because of the coronavirus
we can
pandemic,
select the
the Tokyo
channel,
Olympic Games
or
get underway with
we
a
can
scaled-down opening ceremony this evening. The mega
hit on
quadrennial
next button
event will
if we
kick
play
off
the
at
next
4:30
channel.
p.m. Indian time at the newly built National Stadium in the
I told
Japanese
you,
capital.
bottom,
The ceremony
yeah,
will have
top
none of the
right side
usual
will show
splendor
the
and grandiosity.
icon
From India, only
heading.
28 members
World
comprising
Service
6
8 of
officials and 22 athletes
Battery
will
status
participate in
bar
the
item
opening
remain
ceremony.
as
Just-
Indian
just-
men's
just
hockey
wait,
team
just
captain
it will-
Manpreet Singh will be the
World
flag bearer
Service
alongside boxer MC
World
Maricom. A report.
Icon. Neighborhood. Neighborhood.
The greatest celebration of excellence in sports is finally here. Over the next 16
Tap to
days,
stop.
all eyes will be looking towards Tokyo, where sports persons
radio.
and athletes
Kadapa,
will be
Kadapa,
competing
out
to
of
show
place.
their excellence
See,
in
it
the
is showing
times
live
when the
radio,
virus-stricken
Kadapa.
world is looking for hope,
Currently it is
motivation
playing.
and
If it
some
fights,
solace.
you will find
Fans will see a much
this
smaller
down
team parade
button.
taking
Down
place
button.
in an
After that,
almost empty
search
Tokyo
button.
Olympic Stadium,
Search
as the
radio
ceremony
channel.
will have
After
none
that,
of the usual splendor and
Previous
grandiosity.
channel
Previous
Leaders
channel.
from 15
After that,
countries are
pause.
expected to attend the
Pause.
event today.
Button.
and
Only
double
about
tapping and pass. Yeah, you might find some uncomfortable here because radio is playing and I'm speaking. Okay, if any radio channel is playing, if we place our, if we touch top right side, it will show the channel name and icon live radio and a channel name. After that, if we swipe down button, we'll get that is back button, then search button. After that, we have previous channel, then pause, then next. If we hit on next button, it will play the next channel. See,
Live radio. Kadapa cut.
I'm again selecting
Down button.
next channel. Just
Search rate. Previous. Play.
instead of pause, it is
Next
showing
channel button.
play. Just I'm double tapping on next channel. It is playing next channel. Again I'm double tapping. Just it will play the next
Polyester
channel.
fiber, while the
Again,
back
double
of the
tapping.
medal features and kimono
It is
layering
playing next
techniques.
channel.
The Toki goddess of victory in flying power of sports.
Like this it will work. Now see, yeah, that is rainbow. Just I'm double tapping on next.
An earthquake.
These are Andhra Pradesh channels. Again I'm double tapping.
সঙ্গে গল্প চলবে আমার
I think
অবশ্যই মাঝে মাঝে থাকবে
this is Assami.
নানা
ঘৰত এজন কেঞ্চাৰ ৰোগী থকা
Yeah, this is Assami, I think. Like this, it will play the next channel if you double tap on next
Pause
button. Again, I'm pausing. So, if you want to listen to any West Bengal or Hyderabad, any channels in Telangana or Tamil Nadu, just choose search button. The search button, we can search for the channels. I will show that how we
Live
can.
radio. Guwahati PRAGJYOTISHPUR News Net.
Oh, that is Air Guwahati. Just we heard
Down.
the search
Search radio channels edit box.
and double tapping on the search bar. It will show the keyboard,
Showing English India QWERTY keyboard.
and here I am typing Delhi. Just
F
D A.
A
Oh, not E L H.
G F delete G deleted J F
I.
F 7 U I
And I am searching.
next
And see, here we have
Delhi edit box search radio channels.
in the edit box we have Delhi. If you swipe,
Close search icon Air Delhi FM Gold 1 of 5 in list 5 items.
on the name Delhi we have 5 channels: 8 Delhi FM Gold and
Icon Air Delhi FM Rainbow 2 of 5.
Delhi FM Rainbow,
Icon Air Delhi Indraprasth 3 of 5.
Delhi Indraprasth. Just I am selecting Indraprasth. Selecting in the sense just we have to double tap on it. It will play.
श्री अब्दुल्ला शाहिद से वार्ता करेंगे। दोनों नेता
Like
आपसी
this.
हित के महत्वपूर्ण
And
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय,
I am just searching
क्षेत्रीय
for
और
one other
द्विपक्षीय
channel.
मुद्दों
Live
पर
radio.
बातचीत करेंगे।
Let's search for Hyderabad.
देश
Down.
में अब तक राष्ट्रव्यापी टीकाकरण अभियान के
Search radio
अंतर्गत
channels
42
edit
करोड़
box.
34 लाख से
The
अधिक
search
कोविड
I am
टीके
typing
लगाए जा
Hyderabad.
चुके हैं। स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय ने कहा है कि
Showing
पिछले 24
F.
घंटों के दौरान 54,76,000 कोविड
Y.
रोधी टीके लगाए गए।
Showing
देश में स्वस्थ होने की दर
Hyderabad.
बढ़कर
I have selected
97.36%
Hyderabad.
हो गई है।
Next.
And I am searching it
केंद्र सरकार
and
ने
see.
राज्यों और
we
केंद्र
have
शासित
India
प्रदेशों
QWERTY
को अब
keyboard
तक
hidden.
43 करोड़ 87 लाख से अधिक कोविड रोधी टीके
I
उपलब्ध
think
कराए
yeah,
हैं।
we have Hyderabad channels here.
41,40,000 से अधिक टीके जल्द ही
Close search.
उपलब्ध हो जाएंगे।
Tap to
स्वास्थ्य
stop.
मंत्रालय ने बताया है कि सरकार देश भर
Close
में
search.
कोविड टीकाकरण की
Hyderabad
गति को
area
तेज
edit
करने
box
और इसका
search radio
दायरा
channel.
बढ़ाने के
Yeah,
लिए
yeah.
प्रतिबद्ध है।
Unfortunately,
ये
it
समाचार
typed Hyderabad
आकाशवाणी
area.
से प्रसारित
Okay.
किए जा रहे
Yeah,
हैं।
just I'm deleting that area.
G board 8 delete
कोविड
Aid.
19 से बचाव के
Delete.
आसान
Art.
उपाय, मास्क
Delete.
लगाएं, 2
Aid.
गज की
And again
सुरक्षित
searching.
दूरी बनाए रखें, बार-बार हाथ धोएं,
Showing
चेहरा
password
साफ
keyboard.
रखें और टीका जरूर
Hyderabad
लगवाएं।
edit box.
See,
Close Icon, Air Hyderabad A, 1 of 4 in list, 4
On
icons.
Hyderabad, there are
राष्ट्रीय हेल्पलाइन नंबर
4
हमारी
channels,
वेबसाइट
Hyderabad A and
Icon, Air Hyderabad B,
पर
2 of
उपलब्ध
4.
है।
Hyderabad B,
Icon, Air Hyderabad FM Rainbow, 3 of
Hyderabad
4.
FM
राष्ट्रीय
Rainbow,
प्रसारण
Icon,
दिवस
Air
है।
Hyderabad
वर्ष
BBS, 4 of 4.
Hyderabad
1947 में
BBS.
आज
I'm
के
just
दिन
selecting
देश में
Hyderabad
पहली
A.
बार बम्बई स्टेशन से
Icon,
रेडियो
Air
पर
Hyderabad
प्रसारण
A,
किया गया था।
విభాగంలో మరియు మురళి శ్రీ శంకర్
Like this, we can listen any channel in the country. There are a few international channels also available. You go and explore what are the channels are available. More than 250 channels are available, 288 something that I remember. I am passing it.
Live radio.
పురుషుల జావలిన్ త్రో అన్ను రాణి
Search
ఉమెన్స్ జావలిన్ త్రో
Previous-
కమల్ప్రీత్ కౌర్ ఉమెన్స్ డిస్కస్ త్రో
pause, but
Even if we double tap on previous and next channel, it will play the next or previous channel here also.
previous
See, like this.
pause button.
Some Telugu song is playing in some channel. Just I'm passing it. Yeah, so guys, it is very easy and simple. Listening radio is completely accessible in this app. Go ahead and listen to radio daily. We can acquire a lot of knowledge, and radio will entertain us and all. We can find lot of channels that you require. Generally, what will happen in our mobiles, one FM app is there. Through that app, we can play the channel around you that is near to you. But through this app, you can listen to any channel that is available. Just you need to have internet connection. That's it. So listening to radio is very simple. Go ahead and listen. Use this app. Spread this message. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, please feel free to comment on the comment box. Thank you all. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.